Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMG PhD, and today's Friday, November 12th, 2021. It is 4:13 and 39 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, sleep disorders. So let's hop to it here. The sleep disorders linked with more severe outcomes from COVID-19, studies suggest. Date November 10, 2021. Source, Cleveland Clinic. The research shows a 31% increased risk for hospitalization and mortality in patients with sleep-disordered breathing and sleep-related hypoxia. Researchers analyzed retrospective data from 5,400 Cleveland Clinic patients, showed that while patients with sleep-disordered breathing and sleep-related hypoxia do not have increased risk of developing COVID-19, they have a worse clinical prognosis from the disease. As the COVID-19 pandemic continues and the disease remains highly variable from patient to patient, it is critical to improve our ability to predict who will have more severe illness so that we can appropriately allocate resources. And this study improved our understanding of the association between sleep disorders and the risk for adverse COVID-19 outcomes. It suggests biomarkers of inflammation may mediate this relationship. Researchers used Cleveland Clinic's COVID-19 research registry, which includes data from nearly 360,000 patients tested for COVID-19 at Cleveland Clinic, of which 5,400 had an available sleep study record. The sleep study findings and COVID-19 positivity were assessed along with disease severity. The team also accounted for comorbidities such as obesity, heart and lung disease, cancer, and smoking. The findings set the stage for additional studies to identify whether early effective treatments such as PAP, positive airway pressure, or oxygen administration can improve COVID-19 outcomes. The research findings have significant implications as decreased hospitalizations and mortality could reduce the strain on healthcare systems. And if indeed sleep-related hypoxia translates to worse COVID-19 outcomes, risk stratification strategies should be implemented to prioritize early allocation of COVID-19 therapy to this subgroup of patients. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.